Warning, if you have sensitive ears, I would recommend not watching the rest of the video, and yeah, so, warning. Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today I'm just going to be talking about some stuff, or random stuff. For this, I guess I'm just going to be talking about why sometimes my videos are boring, because I have no ideas. I'm going to be trying to find some ideas, so while I'm riding around, so I say a little, just more like a voiceover. I've already filmed this, and I'm just like in editing filming this. But while I'm riding around, I'm just going to like tell them some stories and stuff. I don't know, just some stuff I want to talk about, I guess. But basically, yeah, I'm probably, the next video that I post will probably maybe be tomorrow, depending on how cool the update is, or like if I actually have an idea. But if you have an idea, just comment down below, because that would help a lot. As you can tell, I am talking on a new microphone. You might not be able to tell, but I couldn't really post much of my old one just because it was that bad. It was like, you would just talk a little bit, and it would just be like, and you can't hear anything. I'll do a little sample of that in a little bit, but yeah, as you can tell, so the new microphone is actually called the CAD E37 USB microphone. It's sold on Amazon for $30 to $70, depending on what color you get, and kind of what kind of stuff comes into your kit. I just got like the little mini tripod with the normal microphone that mounts on it, and it just plugs straight into my computer, and I can record. This might not be the best microphone in the world, but it is an upgrade compared to my last video microphone that I only used in like 2 or 3 videos. That took me hours to edit the volume and just the sound in general, and it still was really quiet and you can hardly hear anything. So I'll have the one, when I give you the sample, it will be basically the microphone with 0, or it's turned up to the high, like basically all I did with editing was turn up the volume, and this is definitely an upgrade. It's probably not the best at pops and stuff, but it's definitely an upgrade compared to like the old one. And yeah, obviously if I get close, this one sounds really bad, or if I put it on my lap or anything. Like here, I'm getting closer, 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 closer. And now I'm going back. I'm back to my normal position. I already tried filming this voiceover, and it sounded horrible because it was on my lap and it was really close, so I redo. But yeah, right now I'm just going to give you some samples. So this is what this one sounds like. It's the CAD E37 USB microphone, and the settings I'll talk a little bit more about after this normal Dell PC sample you are getting right now. So here you go right now. Okay, so this is the talking on my Dell PC microphone, and as you know, it's really squeaky and noisy. Probably not hear me at all. So this will sound test. So yeah. Okay, so I'm back on the CAD U37, and the settings I'm using, the ones that work best, are the settings like the top switch. I don't really know what the frequency, or maybe it's called frequency, I don't know, but you can do more research than me. I might insert a picture at the end what I'm talking about, I don't know. So basically, if there's a picture right now, which probably there will be, I'll show you. So the top switch right here on the top is, I set it to -10. Just because I just like it better in -10. So yeah, I mean, so settings I have it on is -10 in the line. I'll just insert a picture right after I finish this erase. But yeah, if I change the setting to 0 instead of -10, you get this sound, which is not too bad. It's okay. and it's on default settings right now, but if I change the top one back, this is my normal, I change the bottom one, it's like this. So yeah, I'm going to keep it like this, and here's a picture and what it sounds like. Okay, here we go.
Okay, so this is the photo. I think you can see the top where it says minus or 0 to -10. I have mine on -10. Let me just quickly switch it over to 0 right now. Okay, so I switched over to 0. As you can see on the top, so there's -10 or 0. I just kind of cut the recording, switched it, and then started recording again, just because otherwise you get that little click. So this is the default settings right now because I have mine on the straight line, on the 0, as you can see, the bottom. So let me switch the little bottom one to the curved line. Okay, so this is me talking with the 1 to 0 and the curved line. I think it sounds pretty good, still. It's not the best, but yeah, it's still good. Let me just switch it over to the, curved line with -10, as you can see in the photo. Okay, this is me talking with it on -10 with the curved line. Still not my favorite setting, so I'm going to turn it back to the one on the straight line and stay on -10. So here we go. Okay, and here is also, I forgot to mention, yeah, I'm doing on the -10 with the straight line, my normal one. But I also forgot to mention that this one, also, I'm talking without the, like, really high-pitched voice effect. I just decided to talk with my normal voice, like, so yeah, this is it, and I like the pitch effect, as you can see. Yeah, the screen just turned light. But here's it with the pitched effect.
Okay, so I'm talking with the pitched effect on right now, as you can tell. Woohoo! Yeah, that was really high, so yeah, I hope your ears aren't bleeding, but this is with the pitched effect. Now I can make my voice really deep, so here's it, talking with deep.
Okay, this is me talking with a deep voice sound effect. I'm also going to do one more comparison on the CAD U37 USB microphone versus the computer one, just normal voice instead of high-pitched voice. So yeah, we'll listen right now.
Okay, I'm on the normal Dell computer microphone. This computer is very old. You probably can't hear anything. This is my normal voice. So yeah, here is with the CAD U37 right now. Okay, I'm back on the CAD U37, just my same normal, like, CAD settings, the -10 and the straight line, as you can tell. So I do think this microphone is not the best quality, but it is definitely 100% million times upgrade, like, yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was very short, very weird, kind of boring, but it's just kind of a little video. I have more videos to edit today, so I kind of gotta go busy, and so yeah. Hope you enjoyed. See you all next time. Bye! Peace! Love! See you later, pretty Libbies! Bye! Oh, and by the way, it is also my birthday. I'm 12, yeah. Anyways, bye!